Pozivam ljudi dobrodošli u najnoviju epizodu, prvi video, ne znam kako da vam objasnim. Dobrodošli u prvu reakciju na Darmana, ko što vidite. Neću vam pokazati. Ovo je jedan od prvi video od Darmana, ko što vidite. I jednostavno, ovo će biti prva reakcija, znači lupite like, subscribe i recite što još da reaktiramo. I evo, da krenemo.
How's it going?
This is disgusting. Why would you even bring me here?
Što da ne?
No, I just
Ne.
sign your handbag. That's it. I'm done with this place.
Bruh.
We're leaving here right
Samo
now.
da vam ugasim smetače. Izviđavam se. Preskoči, mama. Jesse.
All done.
Great job, June. You're a natural.
I didn't do it. It was all Mrs. Milky.
Well, you know, her name was
Oh.
actually Betsy, but between you and me, I like Mrs. Milky better. Here, I'll get this out of your way. Go ahead and enjoy the rest of the farm.
Thanks, Kristen.
Šalim se.
Dad, can we come here more?
Oh, sweetheart, this place was kind of expensive. It was like $50 a ticket, you know? I mean, how about next year?
Imam
If we
pitanje,
cannot come
mama.
back, can we at least buy one of the animals? I love being around them all the time.
Junie,
Možeš se baviti
we need a whole
desetak,
farm
otići
for all
ti.
these animals. Maybe one day we'll get a dog.
Da,
Or we can
ne
get
moram
a
to
farm one
kupiti
day.
život. Neću možda kupiti jednu
Goats,
farmu.
baby goats.
O,
What's her name?
Name?
Messi Ronaldo.
What's it need a name for?
Messi Ronaldo i
I'll name you Gertrude.
Jacob.
Gertrude the goat. Do you like that, Gertrude? I think I just found my new favorite animal. Chickens are for eggs. Cows are to milk. And horses are
Wow.
to ride. What are goats for?
Oh,
for playing football.
For meat. Where else you think goat meat comes
Za
from?
mesa.
You're telling me you wait till they die and you turn them into meat?
We don't wait
Natuurlijk.
for them to die, little girl.
We killed them.
We shoot them and drain the blood right out of them. Keeps the meat nice and fresh. That's how we get big bucks.
You're gonna kill them?
you know what? Let's go
Bruh.
look at the chickens. That's enough.
No,
Why
no,
don't we
no,
just...
no.
Not the kids. Not yet. But the mama is done be due for a slaughter in about 6 weeks from now, and then babies don't need her anymore.
You can't just do that. Babies always need their mom.
Sve
I
se
ain't
može
sure I
kad se
can't do what I want, considering
hoće.
this is my farm.
Du, 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 du,
Dad,
du,
we
du.
can't let these goats die. Can we please buy them?
They are for sale. $500 a goat.
$500.
Honey, you know how things are.
$500, brat. Napisat ću vam to na kraju kao $500 u eurima.
Do
But
something.
But even if I could afford it, we wouldn't
malo je
have to put
preskupo.
her.
Ali dobro, barem je jeftinije od Mesija. ali sve je
You didn't have to
preskupo.
tell her all that. She's 8 years old.
It's just a fact of life.
8.
Youngins gotta learn sooner.
Pa
or
malo
later.
veće od mene. Brate.
How come you're not eating your food, sweetie?
I just can't stop thinking about Gertrude.
Yeah, I know. Listen, sadly, that's just the way things are. We depend on animals for food.
So you're saying this cow, they waited for it to die or they killed it?
I don't know.
I'm not eating Betsy.
No, sweetie, this isn't Betsy. This is not the cow that you met today.
I don't care. I just don't want to eat animals.
Ono će bude veterijanka.
So what do you want me to make you? You want a PB&J?
Those baby goats need their mom just like I need you, and I can't imagine if you were taken away too.
Ušao sam se.
Them cows really sick. Then I talked to the vet.
Ljudi,
He's
subscribe.
as soon as possible.
Ljudi, izvijam se na vam tu stopu u 3. minuti. Ljudi, subscribe-ajte se, eto ovaj te kanal je izašao. Subscribe-ajte se na moj kanal i na ovaj. Merci Njekc. Lupite like na ovaj video, ako vam se svidi. I napišite u komentare da li bi vi želeli još da se ovaj godin nastavi nekog drugog kontenta, primjer da reagiramo na Aishu Speed ili tako nešto. I da, to je to. Da
I
nastavimo.
ain't paying no vet to check out some dumb cow. We'll slaughter
Dumb
that thing
cow?
early before it starts
Ti
spreading
to
its
kod
germs to
jedi,
other cows.
piješ od
It's
nje,
wait for that meat.
jedeš.
Sure.
Did I stutter?
I da, stvarno?
and feed them others more hormones.
Što
We
hormone?
need to fatten them up so we can skin and sell them. You here to buy my goat?
No, but after our last visit, my daughter can't stop thinking about Gertrude,
Who?
the goat that just had the babies.
Oh. So what are you saying?
I was looking to maybe talk to you about not killing it. Spare it.
Kolumba, tva farma nije.
So let me get this straight. You come on my farm, offer me 0 money, and then try to
Šta
tell
para?
me to not slaughter a goat because your little girl gonna cry about it? Listen here, this is a business to me. Either you have $500, or in 6 weeks, that goat's a goner. Plain and simple.
Pa dobro, ovaj je u pravu. Moš, daj pa evo ti.
Hey! Where's your little girl? I saw you pull in, and I
Aw.
remember how much she loved the goats, and I wanted to give her this.
Really?
Kako izgleda retardirana životinja?
Thank you. She's gonna love this. Yeah, June.
To, goat nije.
She hasn't left her room since yesterday.
Al,
She's
nek bude.
devastated because she found out the mama goat's gonna get slaughtered. I don't know what to do. And you know what? That owner, he just won't budge.
Pa logično,
I've
kad
had
su
my
njegove,
fair share of arguments with Lance about the way that he treats the animals.
kad su njegove
All he cares
životinje,
about is
brate.
money. If I had the $250,000 to buy this place from him, I would do it in a heartbeat. But I make $10 an hour.
$10 po
Taking
satu,
maternity
brate.
to save that kind of money. But look, if June wants to come and visit the mama goat,
Mama
she still has
goat.
a little bit of time. I'll be here.
Thanks, but I could barely afford the ticket the last time. So I
Mama
think this
goat.
is it. And look, thank you. She's gonna love this.
Oh, well, we get these friends and family tickets. Here,
O,
take mine.
hvala.
Are you sure?
Yeah, and they're week-long passes, so she can come as much as she wants.
Cool.
Thank you so much. She's gonna love this. I can't wait to show it.
Moj mi žao
God bless.
djeteta,
Thank you.
a malo i nije. Eto, treba da skontara jednostavno.
Hey, sweetie.
Nemaš pare da
Kako da
vidiš,
gaši?
nemaš pare da vidiš.
Only word Gertrude.
Well, there's
Dobar
more.
te.
Kristen at the farm not only gave you this, she gave you these. These are free
But
passes. So now you can go to the
yeah,
farm as much as you
so-
want to see Gertrude.
Bum.
I'm so excited to go to the farm.
Eto ga, izvinjavam se.
Yeah. Look at this.
A?
Look at this guy.
A brate, isto kad ima 60.
There you go.
Mogu si ufat svaku kokošku. A?
Whoa, that's cool.
Pet naš su ti zamjer za mamu. Daj malo zatrči, stari.
Where's Gertrude? I brought her carrots.
Oh.
What happened?
But it hasn't even been 6 weeks.
I know. Lance decided to take her early.
Što to, brate?
Dad, we have to do something.
Well, what are we gonna do?
Ćemo mi da odradimo? Ne znam, ubit će je, moramo je naći. Napišite da li želite da translatujem sve što vam kažu, gledaš? O, brate. Čekaj. Pištoljem? Ne. To će u mojim danima radi ili sa snajperom ili sa sjekirom. Pištolj ne dolazi u obzir. Pištoljem ubijaš jednu životinju.
Lance, I'm sorry, but I'm begging you, please. Is there any way you could spare this goat's
The
life?
goat,
No money,
no goat.
This here's your last chance, bud.
I don't have any money. I mean, but I'll do anything. Just don't.
Nemoj...
How could you do that? Right in front of her. She's just a little kid.
Brate,
She shouldn't have wandered in here. And if I ain't mistaken,
brate. Što to? Mogu izbora znači kad oni odu, pa onda ne ubiješ, brate. Reći, haj evo, ostaćeš jedan dan, to je to. Brate, gledaj, isto ko ti to treći, brate.
Mistaken, your last pass expires today, don't it? So if you don't mind.
Brought you some food.
I don't want to eat. I just want Gertrude back.
Ne može se vratiti što je već otišlo.
It's gonna be her baby's next.
Sweetheart, I know that you're upset.
Brate?
You have to eat something.
No, Dad, please just leave me alone.
Okej, bye bye. Ale moj peka gad...
Always take everything away from me that I love.
Čekaj. A, da! Je mama umrla? Sad je The Goat. Gertrude. Kako se već zove? Pa nisi tatu uzela, za čep mala. Siktir. Ne plaći stari djeko moj, budi chill, malo binkčerine. Ne, nemaš pare za Goat, imaš za iPhone. Jel te stid? Brate, ga stid? Što je napisao? Čekaj. Tekst! 60% tekst. Brate, ne bolje. Hi, sis.
My name's Corey, and I'm not gonna lie. I've
Right.
never made a video like this before, but I'm sitting in front of a camera because I really need your help. You see, I have
Okay.
a daughter, and her name's June,
Okay.
and she's just about the sweetest and most loving person on the planet.
Ja,
She loves animals.
he loves
She's
animals.
been going through a lot because, well,
Voli životinje, to je
about a year ago,
prije
her,
godinu
her mom,
joj je
the love of my
mama
life, passed away. June was really
ljubav mog
close to her
života
mom, and
umrlja.
something that they shared in common other than their smile and their silly laugh
Iu.
was their love for animals.
A,
So I took my daughter to
To
a
pomoglo
farm and
mami.
she immediately fell in love with this goat
The
named
goat.
Gertrude and Gertrude's 5 babies.
ne Gertrude. Ne Gertrude. To je Messi. Ljubila sam... Stvarno Ronaldo, on je prelijep.
Every day with
Messi,
them.
Messi.
And it was the
Ancora
first
Messi.
time since her
Ancora
mom
Messi.
passed that I celebrated.
Gol.
She was really happy. That was taken away from her today when the farm decided to slaughter that goat right in front of my daughter. And now June won't come out of her room. She won't eat. And I had to watch her lose someone else that she loved all over again. So I'm making
Pa
this
prvo,
video
znaje,
now
no,
in hopes
tri
that some of
sedmice.
you kind souls out there
To je jedna stvar.
will help
Druga stvar,
raise money to save Gertrude's babies.
da Goat
If anyone
uopšte
could
nije
spare a dollar, a
lovanju.
cent, anything. If I had the money,
Volila.
I would do it right now. But I
Volela nju, izvinjavam se.
don't. It may be too late for Gertrude, but
Tu late for Gertrude.
you could spare those babies' goats' lives.
The baby?
And save my daughter from another heartbreak.
Ja,
And everything to me. I'm gonna include a link to a GoFundMe.
GoFundMe. Brate, ja nisam znao da si ti takav, a brate kradeš pare. Čuj to.
If you could find it in your hearts to donate, along with
Ne
some
mogu
videos of
naći.
June with her goats. Thank you.
A dobiješ,
Corey posted
dobiješ
the
neke
video,
vide
not
sa
knowing if anyone would even see it.
Turcom i sa Goat.
The next day, when he checks his phone, he's shocked to see that his video is going viral. There's an overwhelming amount of support from people all across the world. Within just 24 hours, Corey's GoFundMe raises more than he could have.
Molim. Ću ja stati odliče GoFundMe da skupim 6 miliona, a mogu da živim u vili, brate, ne si mi jaru.
Ever imagine
Koristim Cognito mod. Yeah.
And he knows exactly what to do with it.
Sanırım seni.
Why are we back? I don't want to be here.
Trust me, you're gonna be glad that you came.
Ve
My cattle, my rules. I can cut them horns off if I want to. What do you think you're gonna do about it?
At least wait until the painkillers kick in. It's inhumane to do it this way.
Well, good thing they ain't no humans.
Kristen's right. You shouldn't do that.
Ain't you a pain in my caboose?
caboose.
How many times I gotta say, it's my farm, so you better get to getting.
Actually, that's why I'm here. To buy your farm. Got the check right here.
But
Why,
you
I'm
couldn't
actually
even
here
afford
to
a
buy your
goat.
farm.
How'd you get this much money?
My ways. But take it. Whether you'll be able to enjoy
Money,
it, I
money,
mean, that's another
money.
question.
What's that supposed to mean?
Well, when I told the story about what happened between June and Gertrude, well, the word got out about all the things you were doing to the animals. And it didn't just get people's attention. It got the attention of ASPCA. You know, the American Society of Prevention of Cruelty to Animals.
Militia. Rahmetli.
Mr. Lance James.
You are arrested.
Now listen, you just wanted to. Hey! Right. This is private property. You shouldn't even be here. The deed's
Yeah, but
not in his name yet.
Wait.
Ja,
was
bolje
it true
podsjećamo
about
glupnjego
Snow?
nalaj.
Well, it's like you said. Maybe someday we'll own a farm. And you know what?
Oh my
I know
goodness.
exactly who I want to run it.
And lastly, this is where we keep the goats. One of our goats
Zašto su tu djeca veća od mene, brat?
just had babies.
The
Oh,
baby?
they're so cute. I wish I can come here all the time, Mom.
Well, we can, sweetheart, because the nice new owner made it free for everyone to come.
One of our pigs just had babies. You want to come help name them? Okay, sure. Let's go.
I don't know how we're gonna keep track of all those names.
Svinja. I ljudi ko želite ovog videa, lupite like, subscribe i žerabu.